No, I'm not in a relationship. I'm a bit planning to be, but not sure for now because I'm still a bad boy. Hi, my name is Ololadigbolan, and I'm the newest housemate of the BBNaija Season 6. I'm a photographer, and I love taking pictures of people, places, and name it. I'm a kind of guy that clicks so much with people. So people know me say I bring vibe to anywhere I am. So I have so much positive energy, which is when it comes to Friday parties. There with my dance steps, shaku shaku, leg work, everything. You gotta see me come with big steps. The motto I'll be living with is I did for everybody and everybody did for me. I'm diverse. I can be street, I can be tush. So joining together, I know what the street is, so we can play in the street. Because I grew up in the hood where there's the street and there's the tush. I grew up in the tush, but we had to roll with the street. So at some point, they took a phone from me and I couldn't get it back because the street was wiser than me then. It was the street, they played the street for me and took my phone. I couldn't get it back, and all I could do is hustle up and get another money and get a phone. I never get along with people that are cunning. I never get along with people that try to be smarter than me, because we are all smart. If I'm big brother for a day, I'd love to make myself the head of house. Hi, my name is Ololadigbolan, and I'm an housemate of the BBNaija Season 6. If you not shine your eye, they go run you street, no cap.